Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. I have a really exciting vlog for you guys today. I am going to do like a little week-long vlog. I am going to 30A Array, which is like an invite-only exclusive market. I've never been there before. I'm super excited that I was invited. They hook you up with the beach house for a week. We're about a 6.5-hour drive from where we are staying. So it's just gonna be me, my mom, Cody, and then her husband, Joe. And we're also bringing our two dogs, Sparkly and Boomer. Hello. And I really have to go. We have to go. We're running late, of course. And yeah, we will take you along this week with us. Good morning from 30A. We are staying in Rosemary Beach, and the house that they hooked us up with is absolutely stunning. If I show you this little, like, I don't even know, community that we're staying in, it's like from a movie. So I don't know if anyone's been here before, but I haven't, and it's like the cutest thing ever. We got here like not late last night, but as soon as we got here, we like went and got dinner and then went straight to bed because we were all so exhausted from the trip and we had like the craziest week. Today there's no market, so today is just like more of a, you can do content. I'm probably going to, I have lots of work to get done on my computer, so I'm gonna take my computer out here on this cute little porch, like the perfect time to do that. Like, it's so nice outside. I will probably like go for a long walk, explore, and also the vendors dropped off some like live boxes. So here's the thing. This whole, I'll probably get into this more later. This whole market was originally for live sellers, and now they're kind of like opening it up more to like just other boutiques that like want to like network, create content, stuff like that. So that's why I'm here, because I don't live sell. I don't plan on live selling here. I used to, but it's not my thing anymore. I don't know, I don't love it. But it's really cool because like I opened up the door this morning and I have like boxes from vendors. They set you up with like 2 different like clothing racks, and then like this is from a jewelry brand, so it was like small, but this is like a live box. So essentially all the other boutiques that do go live, they would take the items that are in this box or bag in this case, and they would go live with them, and then they're able to like order what they sell like on the live and then like immediately like ship it not too long after. I'm not going to do that, but what I am going to do is I'm going to take the items that I like got in these content boxes or whatever, shoot the items and decide kind of like what I want to order from there, and then I already have the content shot, so that way when they like go and ship the order, I can like immediately put the content up. So that's kind of my plan. And then also like I haven't seen Corky's spring line yet, so I'm gonna like be doing a lot with them. Same thing with Mia, because you know I love my Mia and Corky shoes and that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'm being so quiet because like I think I'm the only person like outside in this whole neighborhood and it's so quiet, but I also look so pale. I don't know what's up with that, but anyway, so it starts tomorrow, and then we will be kind of making it into like a little vacation as well. Hi, Boomer. There's only like 50 vendors here versus like usually, obviously markets have like thousands. Hello. What would you like me to do with that? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go drink my coffee and get some work done for the morning. It is so cute, getting in our mileage today because I'm trying to get 100 miles in this month and I'm behind. So this is like the perfect place to do so.
Here's Steve guys.
Cheers! So good. We came for a little lunch date on the beach before we do market tomorrow. It is so nice outside. We have a view of the beach over there, and these drinks are so good. This tastes like a milkshake.
It's a strawberry mojito.
And this is a strawberry something mojito.
Mojito?
It's so good.
I don't know what this one is, but it tastes like a milkshake.
We're doing vacation as much as we're doing work. But it's Wednesday. We just grabbed coffee and we went to this like cute little bakery. May or may not have spent $72 on bakery items and coffee, but it was worth it. Everything was so good. And then before I head to market today, I'm shooting pole stuff, and also some Chance Set pearls too. So they gave me some samples. I'm going to shoot them here. Number one, it helps me get some content out of the way. It helps me like try things on, see what works, what doesn't, and yeah, and then I'll be able to launch it like sooner than later when the product ships. So that's what I'm doing instead of going live. But I will show you guys my little setup here because I'm trying to make it kind of look like, not like my living room, but kind of like the same aesthetic as it, which thankfully it is kind of the same aesthetic. The background's usually like blurred out and stuff anyway, but I'll show you what I have going on, but it's messy in here. I've got mirror selfies here, my tripod, my ring light, which I did bring, all the windows open. Thankfully there's not a lot of people in this neighborhood outside. I have all of my jewelry laid out here. We've got dogs. We've got my shoes. Mia was so nice and literally gave me these shoes yesterday. I love them so much. So I've been using those. And honestly, thank God, because I'm shooting like some of this like wintry thing, like these wintry things. And I'm like, this would be cute with some leggings and boots. So I'm about to go change into that. We're shooting all of these things this morning. So lots to do before we head to market.
Before the night, shawty don't need to too much. I was thinking when I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your dad. What a street that shit, I kiss it, what this that I can't describe it. She'd always made it on me, I know, but how can I be so hard? I do not you the street fight. You've been jailing on top of the way back. You do not have to sit that. We like, yeah.
We are headed to day 3 of Array, and today, look who's coming with us. He's never been to a market before in his life, so what are you gonna do? What did I tell you that you had to do for me today?
Be a good husband.
No. There was a specific task I asked you to do.
Seems like I'm already behind the 8 ball on that
Cody,
task.
you know.
Just filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Filming behind the scenes content.
Yeah.
So why aren't you filming me right now?
You want me to film
Yes.
you filming me?
Yes. For my TikTok. And I'm like, yay, vlogging. Are you filming or are you pretending to?
No, I'm filming.
Let me see. Turn the camera around.
What?
Film like behind the scenes for like a TikTok, like just like, doesn't matter like what I'm saying or anything, just like film. I mean, yeah, anything and everything. Good job. So, we're officially done with 30A Array, but we're not done with 30A because we have not came to Rosemary Beach yet. So we just got here and it is so cool. I've seen videos of it before, like on TikTok and Instagram and stuff, saying that it looks like Greece and whatnot, but I didn't realize like how much of like those buildings and stuff were just like downtown, and it is so cool. So we are going to explore, get lunch, and I noticed that there's lots of boutiques and I love checking out other boutiques, so that's what we're up to. I wanted to show you guys our beach house. As you can see, we have the golf cart. Now this is us checking out. So, and here is our house. It is so darn cute in here. There's like 3 bedrooms upstairs. And then if you go over here, it's the cutest part. It's outside. This outdoor section, last night it was pouring and we were like out here and I was playing my Switch. And then this was Cody and I's room. Of course,
it was weird. They didn't have a king size bed. But Cody literally ended up sleeping on the couch some of the times because the dogs were in here with us. Anyway, and then our bathroom was sick. Like, I want this shower. I put all of my stuff in that closet because it was huge and like plenty of room in there. So bathroom was amazing. And then basically there was just like, I think 3 more bedrooms upstairs.